everyone. Welcome back to English for Beginners. I am Sarah.
And I am Mark. Hello. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we have a very useful topic. We are going to talk about the weekend.
Everyone loves the weekend. It is Saturday and Sunday.
Yes. We will learn easy phrases to ask questions and answer them.
Before we start, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more lessons for you.
Are you ready? Let's start.
First, just listen to our conversation. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just listen.
Hi, Mark. How was your weekend?
It was great, thanks. I went to the beach with my family.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it was sunny. What about you? What did you do?
I stayed home and watched a movie. It was very relaxing. Okay, good job listening. Now, let's look at the important phrases. Mark, what was the first question?
The question was, how was your weekend?
This is in the past tense. We ask about the past. Listen and repeat after me. How was your weekend?
Great. You can answer this in many ways. You can say, it was good, or it was great.
Or if you did nothing special, you can say, it was okay.
Now, let's look at the next important phrase. What did you do?
This asks about your actions. Mark said, I went to the beach.
Went is the past of go. I go to the beach every day. I went to the beach last weekend.
And I said, I stayed home.
Stayed home means you did not go out. This is a very common answer.
Let's practice 2 more real examples. Mark, what is a simple weekend activity?
I cooked dinner, or I played football.
Perfect. You are improving already.
Now, let's listen to the conversation one more time. Try to hear the phrases, how was your weekend? And I went.
Hi, Mark. How was your weekend?
It was great, thanks. I went to the beach with my family.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it was sunny. What about you? What did you do?
I stayed home and watched a movie. It was very relaxing. Did you understand more this time? I think you did.
Excellent work today. Talking about the past is difficult, but you are doing a great job.
Let's recap or review what we learned. Question: how was your weekend? Answer: it was good. Action: I went to, or I stayed home.
Simple and easy.
Now, we have a question for you. We want to hear from you in the comments.
What do you usually do on Saturday morning? Do you sleep? Do you drink coffee? Do you go to the park?
My answer is, I drink coffee and read a book.
Nice. Tell us your answer below. Thank you for listening.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Goodbye.